The RMS2009 release sees a key industry innovation offered only by Roxar that allows you to locally update the 3D grid and property parameters in your reservoir models. This short presentation provides an overview of the fantastic benefits of the RMS local updating module. Also, a demonstration will be given on how to do this local model updating on an existing indicator facies model and petrophysical model based on a newly drilled well. More detailed presentations and video demonstrations of other features are available online at roxar.com. 3D geological modelling has now become the norm for field development planning and reservoir management. However, it is acknowledged that keeping these models up to date when new wells are drilled and new data acquired is a time-consuming and costly process. This is incurred by using traditional methods, which means having to update the whole model and hence break history matching. This is no longer the case with RMS 2009. Roxar has developed a methodology to update the geological model in only specified locations and based on new data or interpretations. This functionality is simple to use, and models can be updated quickly and efficiently without breaking history matching. It is therefore easier to keep your models much more up to date than was previously possible. Demand for this local update module is high from mature fields, and this functionality comes at a time when increasing amounts of field data are available, but there is a lack in the number of skilled workers. There is therefore a real need to reduce the decision-making cycle time to account for this. The local update method applies to all the common property modelling functions, including object and indicator-based facies modelling, as well as petrophysical properties such as porosity and permeability, as is portrayed here. I'll now demonstrate the incredible value of the local update functionality offered by RMS 2009. I'll show you how to update a petrophysical 3D parameter conditioned to an indicator facies parameter after a new well has been drilled. This is in preference to rerunning the entire model as would otherwise be necessary without RMS 2009. The original model in this project is conditioned to 7 wells, shown here with a grey well symbol. The new well is drilled inside one of the segments, and we will now update the model only locally within a radius of 500 metres from the new well. Use your existing facies modelling job. You will notice a new option to select the local update modelling mode. This will simply create a duplicate of the original job and add a suffix to the output parameter, and you're ready to start updating. In this case, we're using a new well which has already been blocked. Different options are available for selecting the region to update. I'll use a radius around the well to specify the update region, but you can also select a discrete parameter or a polygon to define the area. There is also the option to update a whole zone if necessary. Selecting automatic will give us the option to set the area as defined by an ellipsoid around the well. This is all that's required to locally update a property model such as this, and the job can be run and added to the workflow like any other. Here on the left you will see the original model with the new locally updated model on the right. Notice the model looks the same except around the new well, where the facies have been updated. Also, for QC purposes, it is easy to see the area influenced by the local update. This was calculated with the local update job. The area updated is shown with code 1. Once you've updated the facies parameter, you can update the petrophysical parameters just as simply. The local update tabs are comparable between the different property modelling modules. However, when locally updating a petrophysical model, additional options are available to select a continuous parameter as the update region if required. It is also simple to condition on the locally updated facies parameter, which was created in the previous step. Now, on the left you will see the original petrophysical model, and on the right, the locally updated model only around the new well. A weighted parameter is also available to view from this job for QC purposes. Code 1 shows where the update has taken effect, and this gradually decreases to 0 to provide a smooth transition. This brings us to the conclusion of this video, which has highlighted the simple yet powerful functionality now available for local property model updating. This is unique to RMS 2009. But as you've seen, it quickly and easily brings your models up to date with new data and thereby vastly improves accuracy. For more information on local model updating or for videos of other functionality in RMS, please visit rocksar.com.